Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad. We're in the kitchen. We haven't been in here in a while. Earlier today, Aunt Jessa, she saw some TikTok with Danny Trejo with some street corn and got in her head that she wanted street corn for dinner. It's Tuesday at the time of filming. She knows what that means. Taco Tuesday. I think Taco Tuesday is a series of vlogs I had planned to do at one point in time. I think I maybe even did one, maybe two. I don't even know. But then we never did any more. But now we're back. It's Taco Tuesday. Don't have any recipes, don't have any real plans, just got the stuff I thought would go well all together. We're gonna throw it all together, cook it up, get it going here shortly. Welcome to the vlog, Taco Tuesday. Two of those to celebrate. I kinda ran out of steam on that one. We're having steak tacos though, so stick around for steak a little bit. Stick around for steak tacos and street corn. Alright, here's everything I think we're going to be using tonight. We got salt, pepper, there's our corn for the street corn, taco seasoning. This is kind of funny. I went to get this classic Tajin lime seasoning. This goes really well with the street corn. Normally it's in a little shaker. They were all out of the shakers at Kroger, but they had this like rimmer for, I guess if you wanted to use this on like a margarita or something like that. So I got that because I needed the seasoning and they didn't have the shaker, but this will do, so I got that. Got some tomatoes, some lime, some onions, some avocado, sour cream mayo. Gonna make a little crema sauce for the tacos, and also gonna use the mayo obviously with the street corn. Got these little strip kind of sizzle steak pieces here. Sissy just bought this randomly for us, thought we'd find something to use it for, and here we are. This might look a little out of place. Rice vinegar. Why is rice vinegar going into a Mexican dish? Well, Jesta looked up and found that many people recommend that Japanese mayo is the best mayo to go with the Mexican street corn. The logic on that doesn't maybe make much sense, but that's what we found. Fortunately, I could not find Japanese mayonnaise, but when I looked online for Japanese mayo alternatives, it said take some regular mayo, add some rice vinegar, add some sugar. You'll get the closest thing you can to Japanese mayo doing it that way. So that's what we're going to do. Might have a few other things I'll throw in as we go. I'm kind of doing everything on the fly here. Okay, you all know I'm not a drinker, but I do always like to kind of provide the full picture of a meal, of a dish, of what you might do at home if you're following along. And obviously, if you're going to make a kind of taco night dish, tequila is probably your go-to choice. I got a bottle of the Casamigos tequila here. We believe that is Clooney's deal, or used to be his deal. Maybe did he sell this and make like billions of dollars off this and doesn't own it anymore? Whatever, I grabbed this because normally I get the Rocks tequila when I make Taco Tuesday videos. That's the only time I drink those, to show you guys what would go with it. But they didn't have the Rocks tequila there, so I got this tequila. It was way more expensive than I wanted it to be because the price wasn't listed when I picked it up on the shelf, and then when I handed it there and he told me how much it cost, I was actually too embarrassed to go like, oh, I don't want that after all. So I paid it, so I'm gonna drink it because I spent the money. But you know, not a drinker, but this is what we're gonna be rocking with tonight to get the full-on Taco Tuesday experience. There goes Toby running under my feet. Alright, prep work's done. Made up the crema, a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of taco seasoning, salt, garlic, mayo. That's gonna be good on top of the tacos. Made up the makeshift Japanese mayo, let all that kind of merge together in the refrigerator while we do the rest of the stuff. Chopped everything, all the fun stuff like that. So now we're ready to actually do the cook. First thing we're gonna do is we gotta toast our tortillas. A little hack we learned from HelloFresh back in the day when we were doing HelloFresh. Not HelloFresh, Blue Apron I think is the first one we saw from. A little salt on the tortilla after it comes off the grill once it's toasted. Make it really nice. Torch are done. Alright, now we're ready to cook the actual food part of the tacos. Like I mentioned, I didn't really have a recipe or a game plan for this. In my mind, at some point in time, I was like, what about like a nice little like a fresh pico to go on it? Then I was like, I don't really like cilantro. Pico's not really my thing. So I thought, like, what if we did like a little, I don't know, sauteed onions, sauteed tomatoes together, kind of like a makeshift pico with a lime on there, keep the cilantro out because I don't like cilantro. So that's what we're going to do. Add some onions. Let's saute those. We'll mix in the tomatoes. goes with those, and this will become a nice little kind of like fake pico almost. Just a little salt in there, why not? I also prefer cooked onions to raw onions. I don't really like raw onions at all, so this makes a lot more sense to me. While that's sauteing, let's go ahead and cook our corn up with street corn. Throw the tomatoes in there with them onions. Very quick cook on the corn. We're already done with that. We're just going to put it right back into our bowl. Just want to get a nice toast on it, a nice grill on it, not much at all. I don't know if you'd really call this a pico. It's kind of... Pico is what I had in mind when I was starting, but it's maybe like a relish. I don't even know. Some sauteed veggies to go on top. Alright. Veggies are ready, tortillas are ready, sauce is ready. We just got to make the meat to get it all ready to go there. Before we do that, as mentioned, we got to drink the Casamigos, see how that goes. You know, not a drinker, but sampling it just to give you guys the full picture of what a Taco Tuesday would look like for the common, you know, household. So, cheers to George Clooney. It's fine. It's not any better than The Rock's tequila. Definitely not worth the extra money that it was compared to The Rock's tequila. Let's cook the meat. Yeah. Alright, I think we're good on the meat, which means it's almost time to eat. Didn't even plan that out, I just talk sometimes and words come out of my mouth. I love this flat top grill. Thank you to Jester for buying this for me for my birthday. I mean, what a perfect meal to be able to cook like this all on the same little surface. Never would have guessed like a couple years ago like that the flat top would be just like such a game changer. I cooked on a flat top for work for years. Maybe it's because I hated my job. It made me like biased against flat tops, but I don't think I'll ever go back to non-flat top grills at this point because it's so versatile. Alright, so the last little piece of the puzzle to finish off preparing our dinner tonight is going to be to finish off the street corn. For that we need our makeshift Japanese mayo, a little cojita cheese, and a little bit of the lime seasoning here. Let's start off with that. We'll just throw that into the mix, just a good amount. No cares in the world. Okay, we're losing corn. Losing corn. Your lucky day, Oli. Little cojita cheese. I'm also going to use the cojita cheese on the tacos, I think. I think that'll be a good combo. Get that in there. Get that all mixed up there. Sauce in. All right, there we go. A little bit more. I'm not going to use all this Japanese mayo prepared. That looks like it's pretty good there, but I got some extra, so if Jessica thinks it needs more, I will trust her judgment and we can add some more. All right, let's build our taco. That's tortilla. I'm gonna put the cojita cheese on the bottom. Stake it up there with the steak. A little bit of that tomato onion mix we made. A little bit of avocado from Mexico. I don't know if these are avocados from Mexico or not, but that's how the jingle goes. Squish of the lime. You know what? Let's throw a little more cojita on the top. And that is our tacos. Taco Tuesday. Let's eat. I'm a dummy. I forgot the crema on the first one. Let's get that crema on there. Come on, crema. The spout on this might have been too small. Hang on, I know how to fix this. We solve problems here in the kitchen. There we go, nothing a pair of scissors can't fix. Now we got the crema. I could be wrong, but I think this looks pretty dadgum good. Let's see how it tastes. All right, let's start with street corn. That's what started this whole thing, was Jess's inspiration. Pineapple teas. That's pretty good. But it's not Taco Tuesday without tacos. We gotta go on another taco.
Everything was delicious, babe.
Oh, there's Jess's review. Everything was delicious.
Oh. Sorry, I didn't know you were filming.
It's okay. The people need to know what you think. It's important for the content. But now for my review. Bon apple teas. These are the best tacos I've ever made in my life. I'm a taco king. Let's try another bite, just make sure. Okay. Now, somebody's calling to get tacos. Tell them we're out of tacos. Answer the phone and tell them we're out of tacos.
Sissies.
I don't care. There ain't any tacos for me. I'm eating all the tacos. These are the best tacos I've ever made. It's all over me.
Bit of me first.
I made a mess. Wow. No lie, no joke. Those might be the best tacos I've ever made, and I've made some very good tacos in my day. Not to toot my own horn, but I have. I'm gonna have to keep the Taco Tuesday trend going, bring that back to the channel after the maybe one previous vlog I did about it, because those tacos are delicious. just threw it together just kind of on a whim. Didn't really have a plan, didn't really have a recipe, didn't really have an idea. Just started getting some things going in my brain, put some things together, used some inspiration from here and there. And bam, it turned out great. Whew. Chef's kiss. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell on for notifications, give it a thumbs up. If you did not enjoy this video, do all those things anyway. What do you have to lose? I'm stuffed. The whole meal, everything all together, was like less than 20 bucks. Except the tequila. The tequila was actually about 5 times the rest of the meal, so thanks a lot, George Clooney. Anywho, lots of stuff coming up on the channel. Titan season's about to go into full swing. Nashville SC playoff push, huge matches coming up there. There's also some things that happen in October, like Halloween, and it gets horror-y at nights in places like Florida. So I don't know about that, but they might pop up on the channel. Like I said, only way to find out, is there more tacos? Is there Halloween Horror Nights? Is there Titans games? Is there Nashville SC? You'll find out if you subscribe to the channel with the bell on for notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Happy Taco Tuesday to those of you who celebrate. I watched The Godfather the other day. Salute.